Most of us started when we were young. When you're 18, you're immortal.
That was good.
And then by the time you realize you're not immortal, you're so used to it that it doesn't bother you. Nobody grows up saying, I want to be a window cleaner. I mean, I didn't want to, I wanted to be an astronaut or whatever, like any other kid.
I got in because my father and my uncle, there was 9 of us in the union. I worked the Empire State Building, the Chrysler Building, the Pan Am Building. Every building on Park Avenue I pretty much worked.
Window cleaning is, it's not for everybody. I mean, it takes a certain type of character to do it. Somebody who's missing the self-preservation chip, I guess. But definitely, you have a set of balls on you, you know?
The danger is very high. There's 2 cables holding you up 50 stories high. A lot of things can go wrong.
You know, if you fall from 5 floors or above, you're gonna die.
People do go down, you know. That's a shame, you know, when it happens.
I took it because I needed union benefits. I had 3 little kids, you know, I thought I was gonna be a rock star or something. It was a temporary job that I took for 30 years.
Years ago, it was all Irish, Polish, you know, some Italians, guys that had 30, 40 years in. You didn't really think about safety back then. And a lot of window cleaners were better drunk than they were straight.
Back in the 80s, it was like, the crazier you were and the more chances you'd take, the more money you'd make. That's the truth. We didn't wear harnesses, we didn't wear safety lines, anything. I mean, it's insane, I know, but we did it. It was all about the hustle.
I walked parapet walls, you know, 50 stories up, 3 feet wide, nothing but the street on both sides.
When it's raining out, we used to say, you know, what are you made of sugar? You're gonna melt? You know, I've worked on scaffolds when it's snowing on my head. OSHA was like a Russian woman's name as far as we were concerned. The other thing, when you're younger and you're good looking, there's always the girls flirting through the window and everything else like that, you know. They see you go down and on the way up, all of a sudden you shock them, passing by their window when they're naked.
You know, I've seen sex going on and all sorts of things. I've seen my share of shows.
And that's changed now. Most of the stuff you experience and see is just a lot of online shopping and solitaire. A lot of guys take the job and keep it because of the freedom in it. Great thing about window cleaning, one of the things I enjoyed was, you know, being out there first thing in the morning. If you're a contemplative person, you have time to think about things, you know. To tell you the truth, I'm an owner of a window cleaning company now, and I often ask myself, why didn't I just stay being a window cleaner? Because I really enjoyed the work.
Office job isn't for me. I've been semi-retired for 30 years. And you go in the morning, you do your drop on the scaffold, you go to the bar, you have a couple of pops, you know, you hang out with the guys, you shoot the breeze, you laugh all morning, and you go home. You know, what better a job is that? It's better than being a fireman, you know.